Good morning to all students. Today we read genetics and the topics are incomplete dominance, codominance and sex determination. Incomplete dominance. What we know about incomplete dominance? When cross between two pure parents which are differ in a single characteristics, then the dominant parent cannot show its completely impact on recessive. It means intermediate characters are developed in F1 generation and the phenomena known as incomplete dominance. Remember, अगर दो पेरेंट्स जो कि एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बीच में डिफरेंट है और उनके बीच में अगर मैटिंग होती है, क्रॉस होता है, तो F1 जनरेशन में जो डोमिनेंट पेरेंट है वो अपना कंप्लीटली इंपैक्ट इन्फ्लुएंस रिसेसिव पर नहीं छोड़ पाता. इस वजह से इंटरमीडिएट कैरेक्टर्स डेवलप होते हैं. आई रिपीट, when cross between two pure parents which differ in a single characteristics, then the dominant parent cannot show its completely impact influence on recessive parents, and intermediate characteristics are represents itself in F1 generation. This phenomena is known as incomplete dominance. It is mostly seen in Mirabilis jalapa and Snapdragon. Here I clear you. Suppose that we take Snapdragon's flower. This is red flower plant. Cross with white flower plant. These are parents. They form gamete capital R and small r respectively. In the F1 generation, you see capital R and small r are seen. Hybrid characters are developed, but they are pink flower plant. It means when red flower plant cross with white flower plant, then in F1 generation pink flower plants are produced. It means the dominant parent cannot show its completely effect on recessive. After self-fertilization or self-pollination, you see capital R, small r cross capital R, small r. Here two gametes, capital R and small r, capital R and small r. When we make a checkerboard, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, these are female, these are male. R cross with capital R and the progeny are pure red. R cross with small r, capital R, small r, pink. R cross with small r, capital R, small r, pink. And small r cross with small r, white. Both pheno and geno are 1 to 1. This is incomplete dominance. So when the two pure parents cross, which are different single characteristics, Then in F1 generation, the dominant parent cannot show its complete influence on recessive. It means intermediate characters are developed. We see here pink flower are produced from red and white cross. After self-pollination or fertilization, you see pheno and genotype are 1:2:1. It means it is completely exception from monohybrid cross, because in monohybrid cross the phenotype ratio is 3:1. What are the main examples of incomplete dominance? Incomplete dominance main examples are Snapdragon first, Mirabilis jalapa second. This is incomplete dominance. Now we take a new point, that is codominance. Codominance. It is also exception from monohybrid cross. What is codominance? When cross between two pure parents which are differ in single characteristics, then both dominant characters shows their effect combinedly in F1 generation. This is known as codominance. जब भी दो प्योर पेरेंट्स के बीच में क्रॉस होता है तो दो डोमिनेंट फैक्टर एक साथ कंबाइंडली अपना इफेक्ट शो करते हैं F1 जनरेशन में. F1 जनरेशन में ये इफेक्ट शो करना क्या कहलाता है? कोडोमिनेंस. वी टेक एग्जांपल. सपोज कैपिटल C, स्मॉल c. दिस इज रेड कोट कलर ऑफ केटल्स cross with white coat color of kettles. These are parents which are differ in single character. P. They produce same type homozygous condition. Apply here. Capital C, small c. These are gametes. When crossed, then we obtain F1 generation, capital C, small c. This is F1 generation, and we obtain hybrid character. But the coat color is completely changed because we obtain roan color. A new color, red coat color crossed with white coat color, then we obtain roan color, completely new, because both dominant factors show their effect combinedly in F1 generation, so we obtain a new characteristics. After self pollination or fertilization, F1 crosses with F1, self fertilization. Capital C, small c produces two different type of gametes. Capital C, small c, and we obtain same thing like incomplete dominance. Capital C, small c. These are female, these are males. Capital C, it means red coat color. Capital C, small c, roan. Capital C, small c, roan, and small c, white. What is the phenotype and genotype? Again, pheno and geno are same. 1:2:1. Then we explain that incomplete dominance and codominance both are good examples of exception from monohybrid cross. ABO blood group is also good example of codominance, but we read it in pleiotropy, multiple genes. Codominance, what we know about the ABO blood group, ABO blood group. We know that ABO blood group discovered by Karl Landsteiner. According to Karl Landsteiner, there are 4 types of blood group in human beings. ABO blood group. Blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. Genes are IA, and IA small I for responsible for A blood group, IB, and IB small I for B blood group, AB, IA, IB, and for O blood group small I. It means genotype is 6, phenotype is 4, and genes are 3. How? कैसे हुआ ये? There are 3 genes which are IA, IB, and small I. IA, IB, and small I. These are the 3 specific genes which are responsible for blood group in human beings. IA and IB are dominant and small I is recessive. Whenever IA and IB present both, then the effect is combined, and the effect is also known as codominance. But blood group, ABO blood group, also considered in multiple allelism. Multiple allelism का मतलब क्या होता है? When one gene responsible for more than one character. अब suppose that कैसे इनके बीच में हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? Suppose that IA, small I, is a father which contain blood group A, met with IB, small I, mother, which contain blood group B, produces 2 different types of gametes, IA and small I, IB and small I respectively. These are gametes. When IA proceeds with IB, the situation is IA, IB crosses with IA, small I crosses with IB, small I, and small I crosses with small I. What is the blood group? AB, A, B, and O. When blood group A, father, mates with blood group B, mother, then there are chances 4 child in new progeny which contain blood group AB, A, B, and O. It means one gene shows many effects. This is known as multiple allelism. But we also read in codominance. Codominance में भी इसको स्टडी करते हैं, ठीक है? बट गुड एग्जांपल जब भी इसमें नीट में पूछा जाए तो कोडोमिनेंस के साथ साथ मल्टीपल एलेलिज्म का भी ये गुड एग्जांपल माना जाता है। नाउ वी रीड sex determination in different organisms. As we know that sex determination in human beings is discovered by Stevens and Wilson. We also know sex determination completely depends on heterozygous because there are two types of chromosomes. First, allosome, second, autosome. Allosome are those chromosomes which are responsible for sex determination, and autosomes are those chromosomes which are responsible for somatic characters. We have 46 chromosomes in which 2 are allosome and 44 are autosomes. Allosomes 44 plus XX found in female and 44 plus XY found in male. Heterozygosity found in male in human beings. These are parents. They produce gamete 22 plus X, 22 plus X, and male produces 22 plus X and 22 plus Y. Whenever any 22 plus X of female gamete fuses with 22 plus X of male, then the condition 44 plus XX, it means daughter child. And chances are 50%. And whenever 22 plus X of female proceeds with 22 plus Y of male gamete, then the condition of 44 plus XY and some child produces, and the chances are similarly 50%. क्या सीखा हमने यहाँ पर? Heterozygosity is total responsible for sex determination. In human beings, heterozygosity found in male. Insect, heterozygosity found in male. Grasshopper, heterozygosity found in male. But in birds like hen, heterozygosity found in female. अगर सेम थिंग की इनकी बात करें, हेटेरोजाइगसी किसमें पाई जा रही है? हेटेरोजाइगसी ह्यूमन बीइंग में, इंसेक्ट में एंड इन ग्रासहॉपर. Male contains heterozygosity, but in moth, in butterfly, and in birds, heterozygosity found in female. This is the important thing. Heterozygosity found human, insect, grasshopper found in male. XX, XY, XX, XY, XX, XO. But in moth, butterfly, birds, heterozygosity found in female. Such as, we take example, birds. ZZ in male, homozygosity, met with ZW, allosome in female. Female contains heterozygosity, two different types of from allosome, Z and W, which are responsible for sex determination. Forms two types of gamete, Z and Z, because homozygosity forms same type of gamete, while the female forms two different type of gamete, Z and W. Whenever any Z of male fuses with Z of female, then male bird are produced. But whenever Z fuses with W, then the condition ZW, it means female birds are produced. It means sex determination depends on heterozygocy in human beings, in insect, in grasshopper. Heterozygocy allosomal condition found in male, so they are responsible for sex determination. While in moth, in butterfly, in birds. Heterozygocy found in females, so they are responsible for sex determination. एग्जाम में CBSE में मोस्टली बर्ड्स का सेक्स डिटरमिनेशन पूछा जाता है, जस्ट अपोजिट फ्रॉम ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. Heterozygocy found in male, but in birds heterozygocy found in female, which is responsible for sex determination process. तो ये आपने सीखा कि what is sex determination and how it take place in different organisms.